Performance-related issues like lags and freezes are among the most common problems that many Android users have encountered. But in most cases, these issues aren't that serious that you might only need to do a few procedures to make your device work perfectly again. So in this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy A53 that started to keep freezing after the recent update. But before we move on, please share and like our videos so we can help other users who might have issues with their device. Going back to our topic, here are the things you should do. First solution, close all background apps. There are a few things you can do to fix issues like this, and the first one is to close all applications that are left running in the background. To do that, tap the recent key. Then swipe up on each app preview or simply tap close all to quit them all in one tap. If such a procedure doesn't fix the problem, then the second solution would be to restart your phone to refresh its memory. The freezes you're experiencing might be just due to a minor firmware issue. To restart your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers and then tap the power icon. Once the power menu shows, tap Restart. Tap Restart again to confirm you want to reboot the device. After the reboot, try to see if your phone still freezes or lags, because if so, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, check for firmware updates as your phone's storage. It is possible that it's a widespread issue, and Samsung might have already rolled out a patch for it. So pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down, and then tap Software Updates. Tap Download and Install. If there's an update available, take time in installing it. Another thing you have to check is the storage. If your phone is running low on storage space, it will also affect its overall performance. So go back to the previous screen and tap Battery and Device Care. Tap Storage to see if it still has enough memory left. If necessary, you will have to delete some of your files or uninstall the apps you don't use anymore. But assuming that your phone has an updated firmware and still has enough storage, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, reset all settings of your phone. Doing so will bring all the settings back to factory defaults without deleting any of your files or data. To do that, launch the Settings app again. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset and wait until your phone finishes the settings reset. Your phone will reboot, and after that, it should work properly without the lags and freezes. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.